Morning reception. So yesterday in maths you did estimating with Miss Manisha and you were estimating numbers. Can you remember what estimating meant? That's right, it means having a really good guess and using what you know already to help you with your guess. Well, today we're going to do some more estimating, but this time with size. And I really need your help with this because do you remember my role play pet shop? Well, it's still here, and today I had a letter from the vet surgery and I'll share it with you because I really do need your help. This is the letter that I got from the vet surgery. Let's read it together, shall we? Dear pet shop owner, so that's me and you, this letter is to remind you to bring your rabbit and panda dog and penguin for their vaccinations. Please make sure they are in pet carriers or boxes so they don't escape. Kind regards, the vet surgery. So these are the animals that I've got to take for their vaccinations. I've got big dog, I've got very tiny panda, and sort of medium-sized rabbit and penguin. I do have a bit of a problem though. I've sold all of the pet carriers in my pet shop, so I don't have any to put my pets in. So I'm going to need you to help me. I also have another problem, and that is my pets do not like going to the vet. So if they see a box or something, they know that means they're going to the vet. So I'm going to have to estimate first whether they will fit in the box, because as soon as I've put them in, I'm going to need to shut it up, otherwise they're going to jump out. I had a look out the back of my pet shop and I found a few things that I could use. I've got a large basket, I've got some cardboard boxes of different sizes, a plastic container and a bag. Do you think the dog will fit in this cardboard box? No, it's far too small. And the dog is really big, so I really don't think it will fit in there. How about this box? It's bigger than the other box. But if I look at the box next to the dog, it still looks a lot smaller, so I don't think it will fit in here. Do you think the dog will fit in the plastic container? No, I think I can see that the dog is longer than the container, so it won't fit in that one. How about the large basket? Do you think the dog will fit in there? Using the information that you already know, can you estimate which container the dog will fit in? Was your estimate correct? How did you know that the dog would fit in the basket? Will the bunny fit in the big basket? I think it definitely will. But the only thing is, the vet told me to make sure that their pet carriers fitted just right and that they weren't too big or too small. And I think the basket might be too big. Do you think the bunny will fit in this box? I'm not sure, because the bunny's quite fat and the box is quite thin. How about this container? Do you think the bunny will fit in here? Can you estimate which container the bunny will best fit in? Pause the video to have some thinking time. Was your estimate right? The bunny fits perfectly in the plastic container. It's not too big and it's not too small. Which container do you think will best fit the panda? I'll draw a circle around her so you can see. Pause the video to have some thinking time. Did you estimate correctly? Using what you know, which container do you think will best fit the penguin? Pause the video to have some thinking time. Did you estimate this container? It fits just perfectly for the penguin. How did you get on? Did you manage to match the pets to the correct containers? Well, good estimating. Now it's your turn. I want you to imagine that you also got a letter from the vet surgery asking you to take one of your pets to the vets for some vaccinations. Now you have to make that pet a pet carrier that will fit just perfectly. But you need to estimate first before putting the pet in, because remember, pets don't always like going to the vet. You can make your pet carrier using construction toys like Duplo or Lego, or even cardboard boxes, but you can make yours better than mine, I'm sure. Ezra in my class made a hamster cage using magnetic tiles. He estimated what size he needed to fit his hamsters. Watch carefully as he makes it and then tests it out to see if his animals will fit. Maybe it will give you some ideas when you make your pet carriers.
Hi Miss Kate, this is the hamster cage and now I'm going to show you inside. This is where Scotto used to run like this fast. And this is where this used to drive really fast. And this is an area where they sleep. This is Scotto's bedroom, and now I'm gonna test if he can fit in. Oh no, his bedroom is too small. I can make it bigger. And now I'm gonna test it if it's bigger. Scotto can fit. Now I'm gonna test out my other hamster.
Now it's your turn to have a go at making your own pet carriers. Look carefully at your pet first before making your pet carrier. Look at how long your pet is and how wide it is, and this will help you know how big or small to make it.